So molar mass symbol is mm. It is expressed, okay. So what is that? The atomic mass of any substance expressed in grams is the molar mass. Of that substance. Now, carbon, I am giving example, carbon atomic mass. When you refer to periodic table, what's the atomic mass of carbon? 12.01 AMU. So therefore, what's its carbon's molar mass?
12.01.
Yes, molar mass is 12.01 and it's not in AMU but grams. So for any substance, whatever their atomic mass, any element basically. Now let's say nitrogen that we found in nature diatomic form. Diatomic form, which is N2, which is what? N2. Now, what's going to be N's atomic mass? I'm going to go to next slide for this one. Let me go to next slide. N's atomic mass. What is atomic mass for nitrogen? 14.01 AMU, right? But what is N2 molar mass? Because we need to find molar mass of nitrogen because nitrogen is available in diatomic form. So we need to multiply 2 times 14.01, which is 28.02 grams. We can also say grams per mole. So that's how we calculate molar mass. So now let's work on, this is about just an element, right? Now how about for compound? So let me see, I'm going to explain that one as well.
I'm sorry, what is it? It says G slash what?
Mole, gram per mole.
It's MOL.
MOL, Now, the molar mass of a compound, if you have compound, for example, let's say H2O, it's called compound, right? It's not an element, but it's compound, right? So, how do you find that? Is the sum of the molar masses of each element. So remember I gave you an example of H2O. How do we find molar mass of H2O? So for example, there is a 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Now looking at the periodic table, hydrogen and oxygen is about 16. So total you get about 18.02 gram. That's the molar mass of H2O. That's how you can calculate molar mass of H2O. Now I'm going to give you guys complex compound and we'll calculate molar mass of it.
It's not grams per mole.
You can write grams per mole. I'm going to define definition of between grams and moles and atomic mass and everything. So yeah, you can write grams per mole or grams. Okay. Now, we are going to find what is the molar mass of copper to nitrite. Copper to nitrite. Copper to nitrite. And what's the formula for it? CuNO2 2. Now we need to find out for this substance. So first, let's see in here, in Cu is 1, N is 2, and O is 4. Remember, this means whatever the number outside, you need to multiply inside. So that's how we get that. Now looking at the periodic table, what's their atomic mass? Atomic mass of copper is 63.55. For nitrogen, 14.01. And for oxygen, 16. Now, when you calculate, you get 63.55, 28.02, 16 times 4. What do you get? 64. Okay, yeah, 64. Now we are going to add them together. These ones we are going to add it. So you get 155.57, you can say grams per mole. That's the molar mass of CuNO2 2. So you can find how many numbers of the atoms, multiply by their atomic masses, and then you can add them together to find out molar mass of